Dear students, today I am going to discuss about contribution of Professor Frederick Jameson in the field of postmodernism. Professor Frederick Jameson is not a sociologist, but is a social theorist. Jameson used Marxist framework of capitalism to discuss and analyze postmodernism. He took Marxist position. Professor Frederick Jameson termed postmodernism as the cultural logic of late capitalism. According to him, modernism and postmodernism are cultural formations which accompany particular stages of capitalism. Frederick Jameson outlines three different stages of capitalism associated with three different technologies with three different cultural practice. First stage of capitalism discussed by Frederick Jameson was market capitalism. Market capitalism was developed by Karl Marx, and there is emergence of unified national markets. In market capitalism, there is dominance of steam driven motor technology, and cultural practice was realist. Second stage of capitalism discussed by Frederick Jameson was monopoly capitalism. Monopoly capitalism was also otherwise known as imperialist capitalism. Monopoly capitalism was developed by Lenin, and there is emergence and growth of capitalist network. In monopoly capitalism, there is dominance of electric technology, and cultural practice was modernist in nature. Third stage of capitalism, according to Jameson, was consumer capitalism, which was developed by Mandel and Jameson. Consumer capitalism is multinational in character because there is growth of world economy. In consumer capitalism, there is dominance of nuclear technology, and cultural practice was postmodernist. Professor Jameson found that changes in the economic structure have changes in the cultural practice. So therefore, he observed that in market capitalism, it is associated with a realist culture. Monopoly capitalism is associated with modernist culture, and consumer capitalism is associated with postmodernist culture. In consumer capitalism, there is more emphasis on consumerism rather than material production. So according to Professor Frederick Jameson, postmodern society is a consumer society because it is oriented towards consumerism rather than material production, as in the case of market capitalism or monopoly capitalism. Jameson analyzed postmodernism in terms of time and space. For Jameson, in modern society, there is dominance of time, whereas in postmodern society, there is dominance of space. This is known as spatial and temporality. So this spatial and temporality distinction dismantle the difference between front and back, the difference between old and new. So Professor Friedrich Jameson is famous for his approach of time and space differentiation in postmodernism. Friedrich Jameson discusses different elements of postmodern society. According to Jameson, postmodern society is characterized by superficiality and depthlessness. For example, simulacrum is by definition is superficial and there is lacking of depth. For Jameson, simulacrum is the identical copy for which original never existed. Secondly, postmodern society is characterized by waning of effect or emotion. In postmodern society, there is implosion rather than explosion. Thirdly, in postmodern society, there is loss of history. According to postmodern philosophers, history always analyzes past, and past is a text. So therefore, it is not possible to learn anything from the past, which is text. So therefore, postmodernism emphasis on present rather than analyzing past events. Thirdly, in postmodern society, there is dominance of reproductive technology than productive technologies. Example of reproductive technologies are media and computer technology. Through media and computer technology, particular event can be reproduced, particular incident can be reconstructed. Example of productive technology is automobile industry. So therefore, in postmodern society, there is dominance of reproductive technologies. And lastly, in postmodern society, there is dominance of consumer capitalism. And according to Jameson, it is the cultural logic of late capitalism, because consumer capitalism is multi-dimensional in character in comparison to monopoly capitalism and market capitalism. So for Friedrich Jameson, postmodern society is a superficial society. It is more consumer oriented and there is more dominance of space rather than time, because in modernism there is uneven development. So therefore, in postmodern society, consumer capitalism is more oriented towards consumerism rather than production of various goods for the people. Thank you.